Red Press about I am Dr. Mohammed Show to the 007 Mosho. Cut down that. There is not enough in my phone. I tell 05. Okay, my friend supporter, thank you very much. Now medical science class. We discussed about what is science. Science is anything, any matter, any event, any problem, any occurrence can solve by logic, document, data, mathematical, with experiment. That is science. What is medical science? Medical science is the branch of science elaborated about human. Human like human. Elaborated about creation. Creation like human. Emotion. Now human die and born. You by that process all human die and born. Human are creation proof. And creator is one and only by medical science proof. If creator more than one, what happened? Human what happened in case of country? If president more than one, fight each other. The law of physics, chemistry, the law of creation space, the law of time, the law of creation space, the law of creation energy, the law of creation like atom, the law of subatomic particle, the law of prokaryotic cell like virus bacteria, the law of eukaryotic cell like tree, the law of eukaryotic cell like element, the law of eukaryotic cell like human, the law of eukaryotic cell like gene, angel, new shape, show shape, my lover, MSA, keto loving creation, I say constant matter, all are changed, but not changed. That is the reason creator is one and only proof by in science all field. Creator is one and only constant equal. As a Muslim, Allah is the one and only to expel all our creation, last and this. Now medical science, we discuss allowed creation like human, anti-creation, human discover universe, multiverse, creator house, creation pile. Discover, you know that, discuss, elaborate about also creator criteria, creator rituals, that creation, human, homo sapiens. Medical science discuss, elaborate about that creation, human, homo sapiens. Now, in medical science, we discover a nervous system. In nervous system, central nervous system, peripheral nervous system. In central nervous system, brain, spinal cord. In central nervous system, include brain, spinal cord. In peripheral nervous system, 12 cranial nerve, 31 spinal nerve. In case of 10 cranial nerve, vagus nerve. Exception is not example. You know that. Now you go to the sympathetic, peripheral nervous system, sympathetic, parasympathetic system. In sympathetic system, parasympathetic system. In sympathetic, peripheral nervous, sympathetic, parasympathetic. Sympathetic, what to do? Sympathetic system, sense carry by afferent fiber. Parasympathetic system, sympathetic system, parasympathetic system. In sympathetic, parasympathetic system, there is a motor, voluntary, involuntary. Voluntary, our limb, involuntary, our organ, abdominal organ, thoracic organ, cranial, involuntary movement. In involuntary movement, that is responsible for sympathetic, parasympathetic nerve. And sympathetic nerve corresponding, in case of organ, you know that, corresponding spinal nerve. In parasympathetic system, vagus nerve, 10 cranial nerve. Now, by my friend supporter, voluntary movement, heart move, involuntary by our wish, involuntary our abdomen and other cannot move. But we can wish, give negative pressure, positive, and thoracic, you know that, diaphragm, by breathing exercise. And what is the diaphragm and nerve supply? Phoenix nerve. You see the book. If I miss, you see that. Sir Stanley Davidson, I did, Dr. Mohammed Shoji did 20 edition, and belly and nerve, and you know that other book, other main book, all famous and world recognized, and by WHO, World Health Organization. Now my friend supporter, medical science, 2/3 liquid, 1/3 solid. In human, 2/3 liquid, 1/3 solid. For example, if my weight is 45 kg, then 2/3 liquid, 1/3 solid. And 1/3 solid, then my solid portion is 50 kg. In 50 kg, you know that what is? For example, that is my raw material. Why? Except that liquid. For example, we take a cell and cell weight, micrometer. How much micrometer cell? For example, sperm, how much micrometer? Ovum, how much micrometer? Then zygote, how much micrometer? Then in micrometer, how much liquid? In liquid, is it liquid or not? We take the liquid from any cell and see that. Is that then remain 1 unit of H2O or not? Impressive. Still now, impressive. Okay, you see the 1 unit of H2O, not possible. 10 unit of 1 to H2O. Okay, fine. Then you understand that total liquid and want a solid or not. If that, then you understand protoplasm. In cell, protoplasm. In cell.